another level. I've been in my bag and I keep getting better. I'm getting richer, that ass getting thicker. My diamonds, they keep getting wetter. Fuck, I look like going back and forth with a little bitch that is not on my level. I do not give a fuck, tell a bitch try her luck, she'll get folded like a pretzel.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's Jarmise. If you new, it's Jarmise. My name is Jarmise. I'm most on the channel is hair, business stuff. I'm trying to get into makeup a little bit, but if you're interested in all of that, then please subscribe. So if you like this look, my little braided ponytail, let me turn all the way around so y'all can see it. And this how long it is. So, if you want to see how I got to this pony, then stay tuned. I'm going to be starting off taking down these braids and putting my hair up into a kind of high ponytail. I don't want it that high because I'm not doing like a top knot, I'm just doing a regular ponytail. So yeah. Alright, so y'all know I'm starting with my wet line gel. This is the holy grail now. I'm not an eco style girl no more. I'm a wet line. If you're going to get this, please make sure you get the one with the blue top because they are different. So make sure you get the one with the blue top. Now I'm just going to brush it all up, and in the next couple of clips you're going to see me like rubbing something else on the outside. This is edge control. Use a good edge control. I didn't use a good one and it was kind of greasy and it like didn't hold my hair very well and it made it wave up. But if you use an edge control like Edge Booster, girl, it's gonna hold your hair into place. I did it before and it worked perfectly. My ponytail stayed for like three days solid, like without me having to do nothing to it, and it still looked nice and shiny and not all dry. So when you do this style, if you're gonna do it, make sure you use edge control on the outside so it just won't be wasted. I left this clip in slow motion because I will be feeding in hair to the ponytail. If y'all want a video on how I feed in my hair and my ponytails and make them look like seamless, please comment below and let me know, because like I said before, I didn't plan on doing this style when I first started the video, and so I kind of had to improvise as I was going along. But it's super easy, and be ready to see the final look. Once again, if you want to know how I feed in my hair, please comment below and let me know, and I'll make a video. is my final look. I started this tutorial with a very different style in mind, but you know, things don't always work out the way that you want them to, or that you expect them to, but you know, this ponytail is still a bum. I added my little scrunchie on top. Oh, it's so cute. Check me out. I literally had everything at the house, like I said. I wanted to do these, it don't matter what I wanted to do. I'll try to do it again. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please like it. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. Yeah, subscribe to this channel. If y'all want to see me do, oh my gosh. If y'all want to see me do like more cheaper, like beauty supply store kind of looks, then comment below and let me know that. I don't know unless y'all tell me, because this is just a pack of braided hair. And I already had, you got hair on your head, girl. You don't need no fronts, you don't need none of that, because it turned out so cute. So please like, subscribe, comment below if you tried this look, and thank y'all for watching.